Sorry, ang mahal na pala dito sa Talawong. Nag-inquire kami sa Talawong. Nasa mga 800,000 na pala for a 2-bedroom na may balcony, na may car park for 80 square meters lang yan, ha?
Oo, ang mahal na nga. Pagka ganon, magkano deposit?
At least sa 800,000, wala na silang babayarang stamp duty, di ba?
Oo, lalo na kung first home buyer.
Okay.
First home buyer, basta ang pumili ka ng up to 800,000, wala kang babayaran na stamp duty. Anything between 800 to 1 million, discounted.
May concession.
May concession.
So may parte yung gobyerno, may parte ka. Meron kang konti. Hindi yung buo, pero may konti kang babayaran na stamp duty. Eh ngayon, magkano ang deposito na kailangan ng first home buyer natin para makabili dito sa Talawong?
So kung yung first home buyer makaka-qualify sa first home guarantee,
Home guarantee
home
scheme.
guarantee scheme, 5% lang ang kakailanganin.
Okay.
Which is 40,000.
Oo.
So, kailangan na save mo yung 40,000 and 5% deposit lang, makakabili ka na ng property.
Pero kailangan i-assess natin sila dun sa matitirang 750,000 kung kaya nila yon, di ba? Eh malaki-laki ring income ang kailangan para makautang ka ng 750,000.
So pero Maria, magkano naman ang income ng kliyente para makapag-afford ng 750,000?
Actually, yung home guarantee scheme is only available pag single borrower ka lang, 125,000. Pag dalawa kayong umuutang, ang qualification is dapat hindi lalagpas ng 200,000 yung inyong income combined. Siguro naman, kung dalawa kayong uutang at 200,000, kakayanin na yung mga 750,000. Pero syempre, mortgage brokers kami, i-assess namin kayo just to find out kung kakayanin. Kasi yung borrowing capacity nyo is dependent on your income. Tsaka syempre, yung mga liabilities nyo, kung may mga personal loan, car loan kayo, credit card, makakabawas yun yung sa hihiramin nyo, tsaka yung HEX debt nyo. Alright? So the best thing to do to find out if you can actually buy here an $800,000 apartment is to have yung income nyo assessed by the broker. So, yun yung trabaho namin as mortgage brokers.
So, kaya get in contact with us to find out.
Or you can leave a message below, or you can send us an email. May mga buttons kami dito. Just click on that button, and it will lead to a page wherein you can leave your contact details, and then we will get in touch with you straight away.